Dimitrios, thoughts on what you see in the options market and how folks are positioned?
In general, describe how I think of markets in general and how volatility informs it. Volatilities across assets are at extremely low levels in stocks. Interest rate vol is still very high historically, right? For good reason. I think the tactical setup for equities is not the most constructive. Exactly in environments where you cannot, from retail sentiment to the street capitulating, vol is actually marginally low into the earnings. Coming back to the crypto point, I actually like for crypto to have all these great headlines in an environment that is not as constructive risk as it would be, because when risk inevitably recovers, you would want crypto to continue going up, not to grab all the attention possible early enough. And crypto will have this tendency to go all the way bananas, right? So I think for the industry's benefit, it will be better to let it happen while the rest of the markets works its own excesses over. There's never a straight line in markets. With positioning full again, with summer coming up, elections coming up, and we always never need to forget that the more equities go up, the less probability there is for rates to come down, especially in a fully politicized environment as we get closer to the election, where Trump is ready to change the Fed, especially even more so if he feels that they tried to help Biden's re-election chances. We're in this situation, I think, where if market stays supported, the less probability there is for rates to get cut. Conversely, the rates will get cut the moment the market realizes that it's really gotten ahead of itself. Hence, only support would be cutting rates. Now, vols in crypto markets obviously moved up significantly higher, but here we're talking about structural seismic events that vol markets are not well placed to price. I use this moniker in my tweets that I've never seen a vol I don't want to buy. Now it's probably one of the few markets today that you are tempted to stop, but there are multiple structures you can still play for the extreme events that it seems will get a lot more going forward in the crypto market.